Okay guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be doing a fidget spinner, and this is actually my brother's channel, and he's a new YouTuber. So we're gonna do how could you say this?
Make this good.
It's kind of like
Like you don't care. Hit it like you know you may.
what's the fastest fidget spinner? So we're gonna be doing it, and we're just gonna see which one is the fastest. So let's do it. Okay, ready?
I want to see one show up right now.
Let me spin this one. This one's out. This one's out. It's always these three. Those three guys.
What?
Oh my god, they're not even slowing down, guys.
Do that.
Go check what mom's doing.
Okay. Just watching Netflix.
Okay, cool.
It looks like all three were slowing down, and none of them were winning.
What is she watching? Is she on her phone or watching TV?
No, she's just watching Netflix on TV. Well, it looks like the golden one is slowing down. Will. Please stop saying you.
The gold one's out, guys.
And now it's time for you.
Oh,
I'm wearing
this is
these
close,
headphones
guys.
at my J buddy.
This is close. This one is spinning. This one's still spinning. Oh, this one's out.
I'm gonna take them.
Oh, these two are out. It's down to these two, guys.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
shoot.
is.
Oh, shoot. It's down to these two.
Yeah, I wonder. Let's go. Let's find out. Oh man.
Oh my god, guys. This is like a really nice game right now.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna leave.
The
At
heck?
least I'm gonna.
Oh! Donatello lost! Leonardo's the winner, man. Well, that was the that was are you gonna end it or do I end it?
I'm not gonna end it yet.
Okay, I'll end it. Okay guys, that was it. What is the fastest fidget spinner? The Leonardo one, and we'll see you next